Well, good morning. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. I'd love to work more on the plow truck, but first we have to dig out. So that means Big Bob. Well, Happy New Year, and hope your year is going better than ours. Well, everything's broke here in the shop. We got to get to fixing. So maybe we should make a list. So, first, one thing we got to do is we have to diagnose the plow truck and get that running. I don't know. Okay, and before the record games, we have to get the tow truck running, so we got to get a radiator for that. And then we have to nut and bolt, basically go over the wrecker before it goes. And we have to fix the rear axle in the Snowcat. And then we have to do a lot to Blondie. Okay, so what we have to do to Blondie. We have to get the gas tank built. And yes, the rear brakes. And exhaust manifolds. and we have to finish wiring it. And now I lost my train of thought. Finish installing or install the training cooler.
And that's from Max Beating.
No, that's the oil cooler. We have to finish that too. I have to get some fittings for the lines on the oil cooler. Yeah, we have to do the shift handle and all of that. Boy, that's a list. Boy, that's a lot of work we got to do to Blondie to get her running.
Yeah,
but maybe we can steal a recovery from Matt, like we did last year with the Red Wrecker.
We're going to stop on Matt's tools a little bit. We're going to go recover one of his Humvees, one of his contracts. Red Rock Humvee Tours.
In the H1. That reminds us, if you haven't got your supporter package yet, check it out on our website. And there's both Blondie and the Red Wrecker available.
Yeah. Well, that means we gotta get to work.
Yeah, I know.
I called a really good friend of ours, a really good friend of ours. He's coming maybe tomorrow, but sometime for sure this weekend to grab the template.
The fuel tank? Yes. Excellent, excellent.
You know what I was just thinking?
What?
How when it was so cold and we had to go get the S10.
Oh my God, that was years ago.
I know, but the wind today was reminding me of the S10.
Yeah, it was windy that day too.
So cold today.
Yes, that was a cold one. But what about last year when we had to go up to the Iron Range to go get the Cherokee out?
Yeah, that was stuck in the ice.
Down by Mossy Rocks.
Yeah, that was before my neck surgery.
Yeah, that was a cold day too.
That was a cold day, but not as cold as the S10. I got to play with my flamethrower that day, and I was happy.
Yep.
I mean, you could have let me put my flamethrower up and killed her too, but it was still good.
Yeah. All right, well, I think the first thing we need to do is diagnose the plow truck and then fix the snowcat, provided that it isn't going to be a big problem. And then we can get back to Blondie after the gas tank gets built. How's that sound?
Or we can do Blondie, fix the plow truck.
Well, we might need the plow truck soon.
You won't need it till Monday. I mean...
Yeah, all right. Well, I got to diagnose it anyway. It's probably the coil or the electronic ignition module. I'm not sure which. Probably, but I have to diagnose the wires first.
All right, we'll work on this one. Then it's this one. This one.
Yeah, I know. You're excited to get Blondie done.
Well, yeah. You drive your truck, and they can't even drive mine. She's just on a hoist.
I can't drive mine right now. She'll overheat.
Well, you moved her from her spot right there.
Yeah, I did.
You drove her, so don't say you don't get to drive her. You drove her 30 feet.
Yeah. All right, we fixed some grounds on the coil, and we tested all our wires, and everything works good. We have consistent spark coming out of the coil now. We changed some spark plug wires, actually all the wires, because we had a couple of bad ones. And we have good spark to both banks, but the truck still doesn't want to start. So we're switching plugs right now, putting brand new plugs in it. We'll see what happens. Well, we got all the plugs in. Let's see if it starts. Oh, hallelujah, it runs. Just the drainage fluid in it. See if it has any. Well, there we go. The plow truck runs. Now we gotta go put the plow on. I think the easiest way to get the plow out and up into the shop is with Big Bob. Well, there's the plow. Now we got to get the plow truck. Well, let's see. Get this on here. Okay, shall we see if it works? Well, I think that works pretty good. Now we got to check the fluid in it with it all the way down. There we go. Make a little mess. Well, that's one thing we can cross off our list. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods. It's been a couple years. Might have to learn how to plow again. Okay, cross that off. And I think the snowcat's next.